Here's the last one. It's a holiday spirit. It's a holiday season. If you can load the page there, Arkansas man builds a Christmas tree out of deer antler sheds, and the internet loves it.
Oh.
And it ends up looking really cool. So you know how sometimes people will, they want to get they have the artificial tree. It's much more convenient. You lift up the artificial tree and just put it away at the end of the year and pull it out the next year and you reuse it. Well, some people are like, I got to get the real one because there's an ambience to the real natural material. Well, this guy tried to do something in between. So he had been collecting the deer antler sheds, which, by the way, I know some people might not know this. It does not mean he killed the deer. They shed these antlers and you can collect them. But it would take a very long time to acquire that many nice sets of antlers. So he's obviously been saving them up for a while, thinking of something nice to do with them. And so this year, apparently, his wife said she wanted a real tree, not an artificial one. And he said, I got a better idea. He went to the workshop and took all the antler sheds that he had acquired over the years and put them along a base and lit them. And it looks amazing.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
It looks really cool. It looks like a tree. It's indicative of a tree because, you know, the way the antlers curve up kind of and around almost like branches. However, it obviously looks more special than that too. And you have the biggest antlers up on the top where you would normally have a star. Anyway, it was just a creative idea, merging the natural with the artificial. I mean, I don't think there's actually anything artificial in there, but it is reusable. And then he posts it, regular dude, he posts it on Facebook, but it takes off. It goes viral. And people say, oh, you know what? That's very Pinteresty. They say that's very aesthetic. And then all of a sudden they're banging down this guy's door to try to make one for them. And he's like, I don't have no business with this.
Yeah, you got to ask the deers over there.
Yeah, you know how long it would take me to do another one of these?
Yeah.
So maybe in the future, though, this thing pops off and then there's some artificial version that shows up on Wayfair. and all of a sudden, people have these antler shed looking artificial trees instead of tree looking artificial trees.